Hi guys, it's Katie from Salty Pearl Crochet, and today I'm going to be showing you my locked loop ends method. Now, if you were like me, this thing, yarn needle, is your absolute nemesis. I hate sewing in ends, I hate wasting time on it, so I'm going to show you a better way. Let's get started. So, we're starting out this hat, which is just a simple half double crochet hat. Right now I've got a magic loop with 10 half double crochet into it, as you can see right here. And I am going to start by cinching up this hole. You just pull on the yarn tail to close it up and it makes it into a nice circle. Now we have 10 half double crochet and we are going to slip stitch it shut, if I can get my hook in here. Oop, it's being fidgety today. Alright, so that's your first round, just 10 half double crochet. We're going to start off our second round as normal. We're going to chain 1, yarn over, and we're going to go through our hoop, except we are going to tuck up this little yarn tail over there. And then we're going to start our stitch. So for a half double crochet, you yarn over and pull through. So now that we are on our second row, we've got our first stitch, and we're going to be making 2 half double crochet in each stitch around. So before we do that, we're going to stretch out this tail and wrap it back over so we can lock down both of these threads. Now I'm going to yarn over, put my hook back into the same stitch to increase, pull up a loop, yarn over, and complete your stitch. Now you'll see that both of these ends are locked down in this set of stitches. So we're going to continue around the row doing 2 half double crochet in each stitch, working over both of these yarn tails. So 1 half double crochet there, and another 1. 2 more in the next stitch. 1, 2. And we'll just go in this manner all the way around the row. And I will meet you at the last one. Stop before your very last stitch. So we've got 18 stitches here, and it is time to do our last set of stitches into the last stitch. So we're going to half double crochet around both of them once, and here comes the secret sauce. You are going to work through this loop to lock it down. So we're going to yarn over, go through your stitch, and sneak your hook through this loop here so that you're only working through one of them. Yarn over and complete your stitch. Then you can slip stitch to join your round, and we'll make the magic happen on the other side. So we're going to flip it over. You can see that only this last one is locked down. So what we are going to do is we're going to take the yarn tail, hold on to these stitches, and we are going to just kind of pull it tight, gently. So gently, gently pull on your yarn tail to sneak it through. Just like so. It pays to be patient because you don't want to get it too bunched up here. Just like that. So now this yarn tail is totally secure in there. You could clip it off right here, and I have done many hats like that, and they last through being machine washed or abused by my children. And let's be honest, kids are not nice to crochet things just because we work hard on them, are they? But if you want to go again another round, you can certainly do that to lock it down even more securely. You just bring it back up in your first stitch and then do the same process over again. So there you have it. That's how you get your nice start to a hat with your lock loops ends. From here, you can continue on with any hat pattern that you like, and you will never have to weave in your starting yarn tail again. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys. If you want to find more of my crochet tips, you can go to saltypearlcrochet.com or find me at facebook.com/saltypearlcrochet. Thanks so much for watching.